Hello guys, this is a video on how to add signature in Gmail with logo, images, hyperlink for brand awareness or for promotion. Well, really, you can set up your signature in Gmail for different reasons, but it's easier to set up just one image and make it permanent forever, or you can set up different images, but I would advise you to set up different signatures and then make them different, use them at different times as you need to use them, make them dynamic, constantly changing things, moving things around, so that whenever you send mails to people, your they can always see new things at the bottom of your mail, apart from just saying this the best regards or any other thing. So I think it makes sense for you to make your signature dynamics. Then you can use it for brand awareness. You can use to promote your brand. You can use to keep your customer informed whenever you have a new product and you want to keep your customer informed about your new product. Apart from sending general mail to them, it's a nice way to keep them informed by just displaying something new to them. And okay, so go to gmail.com, log into your account if you haven't, then go to settings, see all settings, then let's come down to signature. Don't worry about my page. I've actually changed my page using the wallpaper. So I think you can check another video I did on how to go about this. So I've actually rearranged my inbox to look the way I desired. So if you want to do something similar to this, you can check some of my videos in the link below. You will see how I make some of these changes. Alright, so come back to signature. That's new. Then we call this pour. Let's call this pour external. Yes, I want to set up a signature that whenever I'm sending a mail to an external, this is what I'm going to use. Okay, so this okay, I have this something copy somewhere. Okay, so I have this best regards. So I'm just going to copy this and paste it here. So I'm saying best regards, Paul Washington, General Manager, Marketing, and then this is my phone number if you want to contact me. So here you can set it up simply like this, and then you can play around this and do some funny things there. I can make this one bold. I can make best regard bold. I can make my number italic and bold, depends on what you want. So, and also I can add a link here. Let's say I want to add our website here. I can add website. Then do I have anything to paste there? Let me just copy my box here and paste. Okay, let me just go to google.com. Okay, so I'm going to copy Google, paste. Right, so I have this website. So I can make this bold, italic, underline, italic, underline, then change the color to, let's say I want something red, then I want the font color, then I want the background color to be yellow. Okay, so this is catchy enough. Then you can add your image. Come down to image, select image. Okay, upload. We don't want those ones that we have there. You can easily select. So I design a business card. Let's say I just want to add my business card there. Okay. Alright, so this is big. It will come out big like this. So instead of selecting original size, let's change it to large. So large is still big. Let's change it to medium. It depends on the kind of size you want. So it will be like this when you send the email, but let me put it at large. Okay, so I like this. So you can simply check my images and check my logo and see detailed information about me. This is cool. Then I'm going to so under signature default, come to for new email use. For new email use, select Paul External, then save. Okay, so I'm gonna check by sending a mail to. Okay, so when you're about to send a mail, every time you're about to send a mail, this will pop up on your mail, on your new email, on your compose page. So let me send a mail to Paul, to John, Power BI. Say, hi John. Let me just create space there. Hi John, how are you? Okay, so John will be seeing my. So each time I'm trying to send a mail, I don't need to write this again. Automatically, this will come up, and I have this already saved. But if you think the image is big, you can go back and set your image to small, medium, or whatever size you like. But I advise you not to set it to original size because that is extremely too big. So I'm sending a mail to John. Okay, so I've sent this message. My message usually take about 30 seconds before it is delivered. I actually set up a setting to ensure that it doesn't go through directly. So if I want to make any changes or something, I can easily undo and then check what went wrong. But anyways, if you want to see how that is done, you can check my other video on how that was made. So anyways, I'm going to go to John and see if my message has been delivered. Okay, now I delivered. That's probably take about. Okay, message sent eventually. John, have you seen my mail? Okay, finally delivered. And I'm going to click on this. So it might take a while before your image comes up. So immediately John received my message, my mail. Then this will show. Say, so I have a pretty nice business card I'm putting here. Simple Solution YouTube channel, Simple Solutions on gmail.com. So I have these details there. So it's a good way to communicate your product to your customer or tell them anything, it depends. Some people you can just put it there. Okay, let's do something else. Also, you can add an image of yourself to your mobile signature if you want people to be able to match your face with your name every time you send an email to them, so they can easily put a face to your name every time you send an email to them. You can add your image as well. It follows the same process. External. Then let's remove this image. So I'm editing now. Then I will add an image of myself. Not really of myself, an image I did a while large. But I think large will be too big for us. Let's change this to medium. So every time I send an email to anyone, they can easily put a face to my name. That sounds right. Okay, then I'm going to save this. Then send an email. Oh, okay, I need to change that to. Okay, before you save, remember to change this to stay safe. No, okay, Paul Estona, but you have to change this for new email. Paul Estona, then reply emails. I'm changing this to the first one. Save changes. Then compose. Then every time I'm sending an email to anyone, they will surely see my fine image, my beautiful face. No, not my face though. Alright guys, thank you for watching this video.